Oh boy! A response from a Dennis website! Mysterious! That sounds sexy.
Where are you? I'm looking for you. I'm a special woman, and I need a special man to take care of me. Hello! I'm looking for you. Where did you go? That's too bad, 'cause I'm ready, and I'm rubbing my thigh, and I'm looking for you.
Mom, guess what? I found a date! I'm trying to get some sleep.
It's time to stop the Decepticons.
Yeah, I don't know what you said, but I like it. What are you doing? What? I gotta work tomorrow morning. What are you so loud for? Her name is Dave. You found a hussy? Yeah. You gonna bring that streetwalker to my house? I told her all about you and all the stuff you do to me. With such disrespect? I told her about the time you put my head in the toilet. And you wouldn't let me up until I started choking. And she wants to come over tonight and she wants to meet you. She wants to meet the whole family. When's that tomato gonna get here?
Ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong.
Come in! Hi, I'm Dave. I hate you, Dave. Me and Herbert met online and now we're in love. I love him. You don't even know what love is. I do. He's mine. Him and his extra chromosome. We met about 2 weeks ago. What are you doing? Mommy, I entered a dating service and I'm gonna have a girlfriend. I love you, Herbert. How can you say that? Can I use the bathroom? I really gotta pee. She's the coolest. I'm gonna pee myself. The bathroom's over there. Oh, hi. Looks like we're pregnant. We're gonna have a baby, Herbert. You mean I'm gonna be a papa? You wanna see the good news? That's wet. That can't be my son's baby. That's not how you have babies. Herbert, you have to face it. Me and Herbert are in love. Herbert, I think it's time for us to go. God, I gotta fart. Oh my God, I just gave birth! Oh, my baby. Excuse me, I need to go clean this up. Herbert, I'll call you. Can you believe it, Bob? I'm a daddy. Herbert, I'm glad you're trying to take responsibility, but that's not your baby. I think it's about time I tell you how you have babies. Tell me, Bobby. I'm going to tell you how babies are made. And then the father and the mother go into the bedroom. And then the bee zips around the bird. And the bird tries to fly, but he can't do it. The bird can't do it. And you go all the way up to the top. And when you get to the top, you just don't look down. And you try to jump, but you can't do it. It's too late. And then, when you're halfway through, you say, wait a minute, something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Later, you have a baby. I pee in what?